what that board is saying. Check that board. Conarizo National Park. So once you get to these gates, first of all, we're gonna drive through a concession now, and then we're gonna hit Conarizo. It is time for the place of elephants. So Conarizo meaning place of elephants, many elephants. So let's see if we're gonna get lucky. We are through the gates now. We're driving through the Malilangwe Conservancy in Malinki. I'm not gonna say much, but in the past we have been extremely lucky with awesome sightings in this conservancy. So let's see, maybe we get lucky again today. But just check how green and lush is this Malilangwe Kona veld and surroundings. So when you pass that board on the left hand side there, you know you are close to Chapinda Gate. So Chapinda Gate in Conarizo, just up ahead from us. Almost check-in time. Welcome to Conarizo, place of the elephants, of many elephants. That is what the word Conarizo means. So there's the board, there it says, welcome to Conarizo. So of all the campsites, a lot of people are gonna not, hoe sê mens nie saamstem nie, Malinki, not agree. But me, I love Chapinda. So let's go do check-in duty. Baby Jane, and there's the mighty Runde River, and in front of us is Chapinda Pools campsite, one of our most favorite places, and full of emptiness. Not a single soul in this whole park.
Only baboons.
And the baboons, they are here, they are staying here. So we got assigned campsite 7 and 8, 6, 7 and 8. So those are the last ones on the punt. So let's go make a camp. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful Chapinda. So let's go make camp. Arta, kom check wat gaan aan in hierdie bak. Come have a look at this unbelievable rib roll. So now we're gonna cut it, and Kimunati kou fella eat this Johnny's. I can't believe how lekker this came out. Now this is next level. Moersemoer. Malinki, this thing falls uit mekaar uit. So I'm trying to sny it beautiful, maar kyk hierso, look at this. Huh? How is that for a dinner of absolute champions? Rib roll. So this is a rib that's been rolled and then baked in the oven. It almost looks like Szechuan, but it's not Szechuan. And just want to show this potatoes, ne? Check here. Juicy Lucy potatoes. So yeah, bon appetit, baby Jane, ne? So if you want to have cooking lessons on tour, book a tour with Chef George.
Arrivari.
You know that if your day starts like this, ne? Net wys, ne? Kom dip iemand, vat gou enetjie, I just want to show. Daar sy, kyk net. In the brown sugar, ne? Yeah. Proper. And take a piskie. Sy. It's called a Kinshasa. So we just sanitize and deworm everybody before we going into Gonarizo. We don't want to take food and mouth.
Wat vir Marie want
Food and mouth into Zimbabwe, into Gonas, ne? So I'm just vaccinating everybody here.
especially Marie.
Ooh, Malinki, Malinki. You look so beautiful with your bushsteak hat, man.
Wat hy vir
My
my
bushsteak
gegee
hat.
het.
My bushsteak hat. So ek kan niks nice hê nie. Marlene always takes my stuff. Always, always. Wys weer Malinki? Ja, I can feel the love. Sure,
The love,
I can feel the love.
the love.
Ja, Sassi. Sassi. Ja. Ja, nee, Sassi soek balklapper. Hy tender, daai mannetjie. Right. Luister.
So, om die toer reg te maak, as ons sê is reg, ons sê eers die suiker aflek, die nodige insluk en dan die lemoen eet. So geniet dit.
Haar
Die
sy.
trip die dag van nou weer.
And just to show you, 10 to 9 in the morning, this is how it goes.
Is
Nee?
'n lot.
My, li-
Almal.
my life is hell.
Kom Marie.
As hy slat hom.
Kyk hier so al die kinders.
Jy moet net die kou fella. So yeah, let's start this choppers. Let's go explore Gonarizo. Let's go to Chaloyo. But before we go, let me show you the view from our campsite. So this is on the banks of the Runde. So we had a lot of hippos entertaining us yesterday, the whole night, last night. But what a beautiful setting. So yeah, start the choppers, ne? Let's go explore. Let's go explore. All the choppers are ready. Arrivari. We have arrived at Fission's Causeway. Now those that know Gonarizo, they will know Fission's Causeway. So this is the road that go into the causeway down there, as you can see. And then you get boulders that mark the road across this river to show you where to drive across. And there's the road on the other side goes out. But now this time of the year, you can't even see the boulders marking the causeway. And that is part and parcel why this park is closed for normal visitors this time of the year, because the roads and the causeways are inaccessible. Big word. So yeah, now viewing Chaloyo Cliffs from the viewpoint. So now we're just gonna have a braai at the Chaloyo picnic sites. But yeah, that's the reason. So we wanted to cross to the cliffs, but unfortunately not this time. You can't even see the boulders marking, and no reason at all for taking silly chances. It's not worth it. So again, just check this unbelievable beautiful place called Gonarizo. This is Mos. This is adventure. This is Africa. This is beautiful. And this is the Runde River coming past where we are standing now.
From Pretoria's dusty dawn we roll away, gravel crunching neath the tires, no highway today. Through hidden valleys, forgotten plains so wide, Trans-Africa tours leading the way, our hearts open wide. Oh, Trans-Africa tours leading the way, down the back roads where the wild winds play, campfires glowing under African skies, small town magic in every stranger's eyes, gravel roads and hidden gems we find, supporting local, one heartbeat at a time.
Karoo whispers secrets in the thorn tree shade, old farm gates creak, stories never fade. We chase the sunset on tracks no map has seen, off the beaten path, living the dream.
Oh, Trans-Africa tours leading the way, through mountains and rivers where eagles play.
Campfires crackling, tales we share, small town magic hanging in the air.
Well, there's the mighty Ubuntu in the shades of the mighty Chiloyo Cliffs. Now this is one of the absolute icons of Zimbabwe, and I think the diamond in the crown of Zim Parks. Definitely these Chiloyo Cliffs in Gonarizo. Let me go down a little bit to see if I can get a better view.
Maar zie je oprijdt, lijkt het paradijs. De boom, die vrouw, afzet.
Wil julle hier kom snap neem?
So this is Lundi Gorge in Gonarizo. Now usually it's just a small little stream coming through here, but as you can see now, it is pumping, absolutely pumping. A massive amount of water in the Runda River coming here through Lundi Gorge. But Moersemur. And what a lekker campsite this is, under this lekker old beautiful shade tree. But how is this for beauty? Lundi Gorge. And still there, just check that white water pumping. It doesn't look like it, but let me tell you, there's a more of amount of water being pumped through this little gorge here. Malinkie.
Jodie.
Ooh, check my shazers. Yes, baby, is die mooiste Damara queen in die wêreld. Like, listen, leaving Gonarizo, what an unreal pleasure and privilege to be here in the close season, to be allowed the privilege to be here. So Gona, Mark and management, thank you so much. We will definitely be back, and it's what a awesome sight to see Gona this green, Malinkie. But now, Chumani. Let's go do Chumani.
Yep.
Start the choppers. Let's fly. Woohoo!